In front of me is Realme P3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading this app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Settings, scroll to Hit Apps, hit Default Apps and tap on Home app. Now choose Launcher Pro and tap on Allow All, then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, just go into a Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default layout, you need to access the same settings and hit System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!